Respirator maintenance and care. OSHA's Respiratory Protection Standard requires employers to have a respiratory protection program that provides for the cleaning, disinfecting, inspection, repair, and storage of each type of respirator used in the workplace. In addition, the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, NIOSH, requires each respirator manufacturer to include a section in their user instructions that provides the recommended practices for maintenance and care of the respirator. In general, cleaning and disinfecting consists of taking the respirator apart, washing it, disinfecting it, thoroughly rinsing it, and putting it back together when it is dry. Respirators must be cleaned as often as necessary to prevent them from becoming unsanitary. Respirators worn by more than one user must be cleaned and disinfected before being worn by a different user, and emergency use respirators must be cleaned and disinfected after each use. The manufacturer's procedures should always be checked to see if certain cleaners or disinfectants might damage the respirator and therefore should not be used. It is important to store respirators properly to protect them from damage, contamination, dust, sunlight, extreme temperatures, excessive moisture, and damaging chemicals. Never leave your respirator hanging on a machine, lying on your workbench, or tossed into your toolbox or a drawer. Respirators should always be stored in a way that prevents deformation of the facepiece or exhalation valve. Avoid carrying a cup-shaped filtering facepiece respirator in your pocket or toolbox. This could crush it and cause the facepiece to be bent out of shape, preventing the respirator from sealing tightly to your face and properly protecting you.